Ahoy matey, welcome to What's the Fuss with Floating Dutchman rum. Arguably one of the best local rums in South Africa. Award-winning Cape rum. Definitely one of our favorites. We love this stuff. So we're talking about the Cape White rum, but in the range they also have a lovely gold rum, which is amazing, and the spice rum. The shots, if you like drinking shots, that's the one to go for. Also amazing on its own, but we're doing the white rum today. We're gonna do some cocktails. This rum is beautiful. It's light enough to mix with a soda. It's also complex and bold enough to go with a Coke or a ginger ale or ginger beer or something like that. While you have it in your hands, pour yourself a little glass and let's try it out. This is made from scratch, fermented from molasses, red wine yeast to promote a nice fruity flavor in the rum. It's got a nice sort of baked fruit note for me on the nose, bit of caramel, lovely fresh, some berries in there. Tastes like more. Let's see what's in the box. Lekker.
What's happening? So you guys were bitten by, you know, the rum bug. But it's not just any rum bug, it's the Floating Dutchman rum bug. But guys, not about that, we're going to be unboxing this beautiful box, right? So, what's in the box? Let's get to it. So we started with the Floating Dutchman rum, Num Num Berry Jam, got bitters base in there, absinthe, kapokbos, that's that wild rosemary. I got a kapokbos and lemon shrub in there, bit of that vermouth, simple syrup, basil and sumac soda, fresh limes, soda, and then fresh grapefruit, baby, a cocktail shaker, dried citrus, dried pineapple, and also included, find a bar spoon and a jigger. Happy days, you know what's in the box.